quick and easy way to clean your garage. Except for all the big shit that it won't suck up. Maybe use a nicer vacuum. Something nicer than this shitty old Hoover Deluxe. Just bought this new rack. Well, I got it from a motorcycle shop that was shutting down, and the idea was to put wheels and tires on it because I've just been stacking them like that. So we'll see. It's kind of been a hassle in the past moving them in and out, so we'll see if this is any better. Although I'm for sure going to have to take the back of the car out to get them out, but I think it'll look a little nicer too, a little better organization. So I guess we'll get everything moved in there and see how it looks. Really made some more upgrades to the shop, to the garage, whatever you want to call it, since the last time you saw it. Got a bunch more lights, fancy framed posters, and whimsical decorative stuff. Look at that fancy little LED sign, changes colors. And then Marcus just got his new toolbox in here, so that's kind of nice. And getting things a little more organized. Still have the Mustangs in here, but just got this new wheel and tire rack. It's gonna make it a lot easier for all the drift spares. So I gotta get the rest of my drift wheels and tires up here and figure out what I have for the season. Start getting ready for the season, but yeah, pretty stoked. The garage has come along pretty dang nicely. Even though it's not the biggest, nicest space, it's yeah, we try to make the most out of what we have.